This kind of another one, oh, this kind of another one, oh, this kind of another one, this kind of another one, this kind of another. So just like you heard in this video, I'm going to show you how to play what I just did in the intro. It's how to play this song. This kind of another one, know the boy. It's not just how to play this song, but whenever you find yourself playing like African praise in church, how do you approach it? So I'm going to show you a map that I'm going to like a template. Once you use this template and apply it in any song, it's going to make sense. So let's dive right into the video. So in the first step, this is how we're going to approach this technique. We're going to start with chords. This is the chord approach. The first thing for us is to know the chord progression of the song. So we're playing the key of C. So the chord progression of the song is your C, I, F, then this kind G. Another one, oh, they will sing. Now that I've gotten the chords of the song, we'll move ahead to apply step of this template. Now the first step of the template is making use of the chords. Now you can play the chords following the rhythm. Look at my right hand. So what I'm doing, you can follow the rhythm down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So now the second approach to the chords, you can use slide. This can go another one. That's using the chord. The third approach is making use of the muted technique. This one is the one I love the most because it has this kind of vibe got me from the conga. Now this is what you do. This is what I played in the beginning of the song. So do re mi do fa fa da da dun da 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 da. So do da 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 fa fa da la da 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 da. Now I'm breaking down each chord to different parts. My do is do mi so, but play so do. It's an inversion of do mi so, my C major. This is another inversion of so do. So I'm playing so do re mi. Do you understand? Then my fa is fa la do, but I'm playing the inversion which is do fa la. So I'm doing so do re mi. Then the inversion of fa do fa fa so la. Then I'm doing the inversion of so. Then I'm going back to fa. So I'm going so do re mi do fa fa so la re so la ti do fa fa. So this kind of another one, this kind of another one. So this is the approach to use, and when you're playing that, make sure you mute with your right hand. All I'm trying to do is put my hands on the string like this, my palm on the string, so that and that's another one. Now if you're enjoying this video, make sure you type that you're enjoying this video in the comment section, and also let me know other songs that I can create tutorials like this, so that we can create more and show you how to apply techniques like this. Now, so I'm going to move to the next step, but before then, I've also created other tutorials on how to play makossa and other things, so make sure you check it out and see how we apply this. Now the next technique, I played something like this earlier. Another one, oh, they will, yeah, this kind of another one, no, they will. So all I'm doing, come to this place, your fifth fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With your left hand, put it on the fourth string, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then let it play 3 strings down. So with your right hand, play da 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 da. So this is your do, so do mi. This is your triad. So you play da. What I'm doing is da. This is for do, then fa. I'm doing la do fa. Can you see, right? La do fa. Then this same shape, you just move it 2 steps forward, 1, 2 together. So then go back. Da 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 da. So this can go, another one, no, they go this can go, another one, no, they go. Very simple, right? Now, what we are going to do is to play, let's say, additional step. Play double stops. I'm playing la, mi, and do, so. So this is la, do, yeah. Then if you go to your song, another one, no, they will. So can you see it? I'm playing my so and do. This is for my do. This I'm playing fa la. Then I can play double stop for so. I'll move 2 steps forward. So another one, they will. This kind of another one, they will. So you can do something like. So what I do, this is my do. I'm doing re do re do re do re do re do. Can you see it's the same shape? So do. I'm playing la re. So re do re do re do. This can go, another one, they will. Hey, this can go, another one, they will. Yeah, so the last thing we're going to talk about is also similar. I'm using like my intervals do mi, but the high octave instead of do mi, I'm going here do mi. So I'm doing do mi, la do ti la. This can go, another day. Yeah. Then there was another one I played. When they enter to this can go, another one, no, they will. So you can play something like this can go, another one, no, they will. This can go, another one, no, they will. This can go, another one, no, they will. This can go, another one. So what I'm doing, this is my song. So you calculate 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. On your 15th fret, you just slide from 15 to 17. So you can do that, then so. Then here, re, da, da, so, da, another one, no, they will, this can go, another one, no, they will, this can go, another one, no, they will, this can go, another one. Yeah. So that is it. So all together now, this is how you're going to do it. When the person leading is singing, you can play each step I just showed you 2 times before you switch to the other hand. So let's go to the first one. The first one we talked about was chord. So you can do right. This kind of another no they. So let's play it with the drums. So let's hear what it sounds like with the drums. Hey, 1, 2, 3, go. This guy got another one, oh, they right? This kind God, and not then switch to the other one. This kind God, another one. Then you get another one. 2 times. This kind God, another one. Then go to the other technique. This kind God, another one. This kind God, another. Then go to the last one. This kind God, another. 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 Yo, so that is how we just played. This guy got another one. So depending on how long the song is, depending on how long the person is stretching, so you can just be switching between the techniques. All you have to do is to play the techniques depending on how long. Just know, for example, you can say, okay, for the first technique, I can play the first technique twice. This can go or 4 times, you understand? So you go over it over and over and over again, depending on how long the person is singing, so that you can play it in a different order you want to play, or just for orderliness, so that you don't clash with the vocals of the person leading. The idea is for you to have different points which you enter in order not to clash with the lead vocal. So I'm glad you enjoyed this video. If you want to watch more, like, there's a playlist under this video, under the description. Make sure you click, and also click the next playlist here. And then if you want me to create a specific video, please let me know in the comment section, so that we'll recreate and create some magic like this. Thanks for watching. Please drop your comments and let me know what you think, and also click this video so that you learn more Makusa stuff like this one, right?